Hello, it's me, my cousin. That's Alena. And of course, it's Alena. It's my channel. Yeah, we're doing a kinetic sand. Yeah, she cannot cheat because it's down there. And wait, we don't want to go on your phone holder. And we're super. No! Sorry, I didn't post about red. In the other video, she did by herself, but me, she didn't even say. Give me. Wait lang. Wait lang po. Ako na ang pampen. Okay. Sa akin. Ito sabi ko, joke na. Okay, here. She put lotion in this kinetic sand. Like, what the hell? Yeah, it's so pressing if you put it. What do you mean pressing? Do you mean it's so smooth? It's so smooth. In the second video, she have her doing kinetic sand without me because she is in what? Ramzan and Jannah. And by the way, this that's so far away. You need to take a boat to go there because this is Philippines. What the heck? Okay, so this little girl is coming up to us. Hey, you destroyed it! Sorry. Go. Okay. We're doing a second video of me and her, right? Ito yung second video, doon yung sa isa first. I gave this to her, that yellow kinetic sand. Now it turns super green and ugly. It's green? Green na? Naging green? Look. That's the rarest one. I don't care, bro. Bruh, what you saying in English is nothing. Gawa tayo ng Let's go. Tumamit ka nga, nag-video kami. Gawa tayo. Let's make cookies. Let's make K-pop. Cookies. K-pop. K-pop idol. Minsan na isang tong sinani. The Chinese yun, hindi yung K-pop. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do a dolphin. Give me her, give me first. Ben, hindi ako Look guys, it's stuck talaga. Yes. Oh no! Kadidi kayo. Let's go bake some cookies. Brother, I know cookie. The Bebe Santos. Ano ba ito yun? Yes. I cannot breathe of super sneak. Anong kinong super sneak? You're saying is nonsense. You're saying is nothing. Do you know that in TikTok? Wait, alam mo yung boat na yun natugaw at parang SM. Talaga? Talaga. 1,000 talaga. Ay, sabi ko di ba may nagkakanta doon? I wonder why, I wonder how. Nakita ko to sa video, sa TikTok, na na yung babae, hindi marunong mag-English. I'm so detection. Nakabili sila nagutot. Hindi ako. Si Kaykay. Ako na naman. Maglalaro ko. Oy, dito ako. Si Kayo Gagawa tayo cookies for Christmas. Cookies for life. I like. Yun naman Christmas, diba? Oo. Ano na yun? Still on December. It's Easter eggs. In December, we're gonna go to Romblon. Excuse me. Kailangan ko po yung pension. That's my surprise! That's my surprise to you. We're gonna go in December. Okay? December 13 or December 28. 23. December 23 kami pupunta doon. Wedding. We're gonna go we're gonna make cookies. Oh my god, it's completely fresh. Wag yan! Ano pa nga niya? Marunong mo siya mag-speak. Look, guys, it's perfect.
Ganito.
It's perfect.
Ganito siya mag-speak.
Look, it's perfect. It's completely perfect. Tignan mo, perfect. Perfect na perfect. Ah!
You know how it's perfect? Nuno is perfect. Sabino or $1 million? Of course, $1 million. Ah,
No! I pick a Savino. Kamu kalakele. Oh, yeah.
Alexa, play ko mula floor.
Kumala.
Nuno.
Na. Huwag ka na magsabi na mapangit ka na. Totoo.
Bangit ka daw, Koy.
Hindi ikaw yun, Darren.
Gagawa.
Joke lang, maganda ka.
Perfect, oh.
Hindi natutanggal dyan sa tail.
You didn't even tell me.
Yeah, but I forgot to tell you.
We're gonna post this on TikTok.
Joke lang yan.
Kaya hindi ka favorite ni Kay kasi nagsasampal-sampal ka. Diba? Tama ako, Kay.
Bro, why did I say look at me? Go, bro.
Gawa na lang tayo cake. Let's make a cake.
Happy birthday, Poopy.
Ah,
What the? Let's soft ka. Iba,